Good morning, family. Happy Friday, November the 13th, guys. Happy birthday, Sonaria Marie. Happy birthday, Mark. Today is my family's birthday, so y'all can shout them out in the comments. Baby girl's birthday is today. Big Mark's birthday is today. So, guys, I'm ready to get out of here. Here's OOTD, y'all. I got the jeans on. I got my Uggs on. How about that? Yeah, so we're on a mission today. Let me see if I can put y'all somewhere so I can put my maybe turn y'all around this way. I'm trying to put my sweater on. And then I can show y'all OOTD, okay? How about that? So this is how it looks. This is how the jeans look, y'all. I like them. I have to keep pulling them up though, but other than that, they're cool. Good jeans. And I'm finally wearing my cardigan, y'all, because it is chilly outside. So yeah, finally wearing the cardigan. So yeah, OOTD. For all that you don't know, OOTD is outfit of the day. So yeah, guys, yeah. This is what it is, cool and relaxing. So I'm on my way. I need to stop at the bank because I have to go get some cash because remember, I think I told y'all that place that I'm going, the treasure bins, just say you want to spend $10. In order to use your card, you're going to use $12. I'm not doing that. I don't have nothing to get that would cost me that much unless I see a dresser or something like that of that nature. So yeah, so I won't be doing that. So I'm going to just go ahead and get cash so I can have it on hand so we won't have that problem. And yeah, let me get my coffee because I think she's about done right now. So what are you plans for today? November the 13th. Oh, y'all, and you know what? I didn't even think about that. It is Friday. I'm not superstitious, but I'm just saying. I just happened to think about that. It's November the 13th, so you know how some people are about those shenanigans. So let me get my vitamins out. I didn't take a vitamin B12 yesterday, so I'll take one today. And I always have to get my vitamin C because we need it right now in these perilous times right now, right? We need all we can get, the vitamin C. Let me take a taste of this. Okay, guys, I'm about to go let Lady Blue get started and get warm because I don't like getting in no cold vehicle. Lady Blue is my truck. That's my lady Blue, if you want to know. What is that? Okay. So yeah. So guys, I will see y'all in the car, okay? Okay, guys. I am back. So, I'm on my way to the bank, like I said, to go get some funds because I'm not about to spend more than I want to spend just to use your card. That's don't make no sense to me, but I mean, I understand that's the way people do their business, but I don't have to be a part of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get let me turn her down. I'm going to go get that right now. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for your lovely comments about the room. A lot of you thought a bedroom. I was surprised, but I was thinking like, well, I could see that because the boys are in there, but I just, this is a time that I blessed to have an extra room like that to make it a sitting room. Because I think that's what we was trying to do at that other room with that other bedroom, and it just didn't work out that way. So this was better. I got a story time too for y'all about how this house is basically like the first house that we went to go look at a long time ago, y'all, that had like the gray floors and just most of the amenities that this one has. Just a different time in life. And it's amazing how God just does things, and we really have to be patient and listen to, oh y'all, it's so many people at this bank. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. It is a lot. Now I feel like I'm gonna be forced to go. Y'all know what? I can't do it. I can't. It's gonna take me longer to get in there. Okay, so hopefully, hopefully it's a bank. I done wrote this thing out already. Hopefully it's a bank near I forgot, and it's Friday too. It's probably a lot of like senior citizens or whatever. Somebody's supposed to be meeting me there, so if I could just do the swap with them, or they can give it to me and then I can go to the bank. I don't know, but I'm not about to sit and stay in that line. Something told me to keep going. But anyway, what I was saying, guys, was I'm gonna bring y'all along to see how the store looks, so you can know that it's like set up like the one that's like 30 minutes or 25 minutes from my home. But yeah, sometimes we just have to be patient and just wait on him, and just know when he does what he does, he's doing it at that time for our good. So yeah, I'm still gonna go into that another time. But yeah, guys, so yeah, I'll see you guys in a little while, okay? All right, y'all, I'm here, and this is the place, if you guys can see. And then there's the Goodwill I was telling y'all that was next to the BMV. But if y'all can see it, it's right there. So I'll see you guys. Oh, this is cute. Okay, y'all, like here's furniture. It's nice for the yard, for the backyard, patio. Oh my gosh, look at this. Super nice, super nice. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this one. That is beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, I'm back home. So, I know y'all want to see what's in these bags, and it's okay. We're going to get into it. But first of all, I want to say again, thank you guys for tuning in for another video. Thanks for stopping by again on my journey in life, just to live and all that good stuff and show you guys things. But someone has been requesting, and you know who you are, and you can shout it out in the next video, I mean in the comments below, whatever. I think a couple of you have asked about the garden in the yard. So y'all know it's cold outside, so ain't no too much going on out there, but I'm gonna show you what I can, and you guys, after that, we're gonna get into what I found today, okay? So hold on. Okay guys, real quick, we're gonna go outside. I'm not gonna show you everything because we might have some crazies out here. So hold on, let me, okay. Everything should look the same. Can I show you addresses? Let me put my sign back up here where it was at. I don't know, it keeps falling down. So that's that, y'all. And all the trees, look at that, are all the trees in our yard, hold on, are like that. So let's go around. The rock garden is still doing good, like so. And then we have this big baby here. Here's the side, you guys. I forgot what you call these things. I can't remember, but those are growing still. Then this tree here, I don't know what that is called. The white gravel here is all covered up. And then we're on our way to the back. So there's the back, guys. Here is rock garden. The landscapers ripped off my light right here, and they cut one of my plants down, which that's okay. But guys, here's the garden. We still have lettuce here. Everything else is dead. That's the tomato plant. It is dead. But I still have cilantro, if you guys could see. Right there. And then here is the whole big old backyard. Yes. And let's go this way to the deck, and then we can go inside. So, guys, here are the lawn chairs. The patio chairs are put up for the winter. Got to go in the garage though. Plant still got a little bloom. And here are the other 2 lawn chairs, and then we just have that here still, and then that lights up at night, and then we still have the lights around the patio. All this is going to get painted white, guys. This next summer, all of this patio will be white. Not the floor, but just all of this part. And then we're going to have some lights on the cap ends. Here's my flower pot thing. Yeah, it'll be all of this will be white. And we might get new furniture, but I know we're going to add some rods to this, and we're going to have a covering over that. So let's go inside. Here is the back door. Oh, we ain't gonna be able to get in the back door, but there is the sign, if you see. Okay, y'all, sign is still the same. Can y'all see now? Yeah, I can't believe y'all made me do that. It's cold out here. It's cold out here. So let's get started with the haul. Okay, guys, we're gonna just go ahead and get into the video. I'm gonna show you really quick because I don't want this video to be too long, so I can give it to you. So, guys, I spent $5.34. And then on my way out the door, I spent $1 because I found another matching curtain. So here is a curtain rod that I found, guys. Everything was $1. It wasn't 50 cents, but that's okay. $1 is not bad. So this here, I'm gonna put this one in the bedroom, and it has some kind of fancy thing here where you like unscrew it that way and you can stretch it. So this is going in the bedroom, and I'll be done with that. Then, guys, I found this beautiful metal wood frame. Really, really pretty. I'm going to put my wedding picture, one of them in here. I got 2 because if you guys remember, my two wedding pictures were in one of those mosaic things that I made, and I ended up selling those along with a mirror and a nightstand the first go around when I started selling the beer stuff. So this is really, really pretty, and I am going to put it up here with the other stuff, or I'm going to put it in the bedroom. You guys will see over time where I place it. The next thing I got was this amber glass, guys, that says coffee. Ain't that cute? So I don't know if I put beans in it or try to pour my coffee in there, but I'm gonna put this in the kitchen. And I think that's gonna be it for the decor in the kitchen. This is really, really nice. That was in this bag. And I found this. This is really nice, guys. This is actually what do you call this? It's for the I had it on the tip of my tongue because I was telling somebody who was asking about it. You actually put your candles out with this. So yeah, really, really pretty muted gold. I love that, love that. So guys, I spent only $6, but this is really cute. I don't know where I'm gonna place it. I might put it in here because I do want to make a candle for this room. Guys, I found another matching curtain to like the ones I hung in the kitchen that were in the living room that were in the office. So I found one more. So this one is going to go in here, and because these gray ones are going to go once I find another one of these, because it goes with the furniture. It's like an off-white. It's really pretty, and it is 100% cotton, which I love. I told you guys I'm trying to, if you see that is cotton, I am trying to let go of, I don't want any polyester curtains or anything like that in my home, just because I don't want those toxic materials. The last thing on my way out the door, guys, I found this other matching, how come, y'all, this matches the other curtain that I had just got last week in the bedroom. This was the last thing I found walking out the door. Same one, and I had to double check it to make sure, and it is, same thing, threshold, like so, and it is 100% cotton. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know Did you like everything? And isn't it amazing how God, He follows your heart, you know. I said I wasn't gonna buy anything I didn't need. Oh, and that chair, guys, they wanted $90 for that chair. I said, oh no, you know why? I can get that chair at the other place I'm gonna visit on Sunday. Probably I could have got that for $30, so no. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for all your love and support, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to visit the other channel either. Go to Simply Black Vegan, guys, and support me there. Bye. Bye.